Namaste everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Pooja and today we are going to do 10 yoga poses to lose our weight. So let's get started. The first pose is boat pose. This yoga pose is a whole body exercise which tone up your core, enhances muscle strength. It strengthens the muscles and promotes metabolism, thus burns down more calories and promotes weight loss. So let's get started with the boat pose. Sit straight with extended legs on the yoga mat. Now bend the knees. Lift your feet up off the floor as through your shin is parallel to the floor. Extend your hands parallel to the floor. Hold the pose for around 30 seconds. Now release and repeat it for 5 times. Keep inhale and exhale. Now release. Now the second asana is warrior pose, Veerbhadra Asana. It strengthens and tones the arms, legs and lower back. It improves balance in the body and helps increase stamina. So let's get started. Stand straight with your feet together. Stretch your legs apart back and forth. Now bend the knees of your front leg and keep the other one parallel to the floor. Raise your hands overhead. Hold the pose as much as you can. Now switch side and repeat. Stay here for a few breaths and slowly release. Now the third asana is Trikonasana, triangle pose. The ultimate triangle pose is highly beneficial yoga pose for several health issues. Though it does not directly contribute to your weight loss, it enhances digestion and thus reduces the fat deposited in belly. Thereby, the best yoga to reduce belly fat. It also includes muscles reducing your bone fat. Let's get started in Trikonasana. Stand straight with your hands overhead. Now widen your legs sideways. Stretch yourself down with your hand touching the same feet, just like a triangle. Your upper hand should be straight facing the ceiling along with your eyes. Hold up the pose for around 5 to 6 seconds. Now return back and repeat on the other side. Now next yoga asana is Surya Namaskara B of Ashtanga Yoga. It is also known as sun salutations. The popular yoga poses to reduce belly fat especially. So let's get started. Begin in Samasthiti, equal standing. Distribute your weight evenly on both the feet. Inhale, bend your knees. Lift arms, palms together overhead. Gaze at thumb. Exhale, straighten leg to a forward bend. Uttanasana, gaze at nose. Inhale, head up. Lengthen spine, gaze at third eye. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, lift chest, head back to Urdhva Mukha Savasana, upward facing dog. Gaze at sky. Exhale, lift hips to downward dog, Adho Mukha Savasana. Gaze towards your navel. Inhale, right foot forward, left heel turn inward, Veerbhadra Asana. Lift arms, palms together. Right knee bent, left leg straight with back foot pressed into floor. Gaze at thumb. Exhale, back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog, Urdhva Mukha Savasana. Exhale, back to downward facing dog. Stay here for a few breaths. Inhale, left foot forward, right foot turn in at angle. Veerbhadra Asana. Lift arms above head, gaze to thumbs. Left knee bend. Exhale, back to Chaturanga. Inhale to upward facing dog. Exhale to downward facing dog. Now hold here for 5 breaths. Gaze towards your navel. Jump feet up between hands. Inhale, head up. Gaze between eyebrows. Exhale, bend forward. Crown of the head towards floor. Look to nose. Uttanasana. Inhale, bend your knees as you come up to Utkat Asana. Exhale, straight leg, arms to side, Samasthiti. Now the fifth asana is the cobra pose, also known as Bhujangasana. It is good to reduce the fat of your upper body and abdominal muscles. So let's get it started. Lie facing down the mat with feet flat on the floor and palms down to either side. Press the floor with both hands and make sure that your fingers are just below the shoulders muscle. Put your shoulders slowly, slightly backward. Give focus onto your abs and bend back more with belly button towards the spine. Keeping your hands, hips and feet firmly onto the floor, lift your upper torso keeping your chin upwards. Hold it for 5 to 6 breaths. Push yourself higher with each exhale. Now the sixth asana is downward facing dog. It is good yoga for weight loss. Let's get started. Lie on the floor with your stomach on the mat. Slowly lift your body with the limbs and make a pose just like a small mountain. Hold it for some time and feel the strain in your belly. Return back and continue doing it for few breaths. Now the seventh asana is the chair pose. The chair pose, as the name sounds, is to make a posture as though you are sitting in a chair. Let's get started. First, stand straight with your legs together and arms straight up above your head. Bend both the knees simultaneously, not too much, but you should see your feet while looking down in the posture. Hold the pose for 30 seconds. Now relax and repeat. The chair pose gives strain to your thighs and muscles, reducing the extra fat absorbed. Now the next asana is seated forward bend pose. This intense pose provides deep stretches for your entire back from heels to neck. It also ensures stress management, thereby controlling your stress and contributing to weight loss. Let's get started. Sit straight with your legs straight on the mat. Bring your arms straight out to each side, then slowly overhead. Inhale and draw up your spine straight. As you exhale, bend forward and try touching your feet with your hands. On each inhale, lengthen your spine, and each exhale, deepen to your forward bend. Stay here for a few breaths and slowly come up. Now the next asana is Setu Bandha Sarvangasana, bridge pose. Yet another asana with multiple benefits. It is an excellent for glutes, thyroid as well as weight loss. So let's get started. Lie on your back, place your feet flat on the floor, a comfortable distance away from the hips. Place your arms next to the rib cage. You can either bend your elbows 90 degrees so that your fingers are pointing to the ceiling, or hold onto the outer edges of your mat. On an inhalation, press the back of your shoulders and your feet into the floor and lift your hips up. Press the inner feet down actively and keep the knees from spreading out wide by engaging the inner thighs. Lengthen your tailbone, slide your shoulder blades down your back and keep your neck neutral. You can clasp your hands behind your back. Stay here for 5 to 15 breaths. To come out of this pose, release the arms and roll your spine down and breathe. Last asana is Dhanu Asana, bow pose. Let's get started. Lie flat on the stomach with the legs and feet together and the arms and hands beside the body. Bend the knees and bring the heels close to the buttocks. Clasp the hands around the ankles. Place the chin on the floor. This is the starting position. Tense the leg muscles and push the feet away from the body. Arch the back, lifting the thighs, chest and head together. Keep the arms straight. In the final position, the head is tilted back and the abdomen supports the entire body on the floor. The only muscular contraction is in the legs. The back and arms remain relaxed. Hold for a few breaths and slowly release. Thank you for watching Fitness Mantra by Pooja. Hope you have enjoyed this class. See you next time. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, please like, comment below, and of course subscribe to my channel so you can receive more of my yoga, meditation and health tips. You can also connect with me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are down below. Let's spread love and light beyond infinity.